Bonsoir les amis, this is Llyane Stanfield and you can find me at parisianfrench.com. Today we learn how to count and this is for the beginners in the group. As I told you yesterday as well, I am looking for the right people to come on my one-on-one private lessons. So it makes me think that there are a few people here who told me already that they are interested. So I want to split what I'm giving you, some days for the beginners and some other days for the intermediate, because with me you can go all the levels. And the link will be to the contact page where you can talk to me and have that free rendezvous to give me the opportunity to share with you what I feel that would help you best, and to see if the next step for you would be to have private one-on-one Skype classes with me. So the reason I'm doing this, I wanted to share this with you, is because I am myself speaking a second language right now, and I have gone through certain phases in learning of the language, and there have been a ton of situations where I felt lost. And when you go in a trip somewhere in a francophone country, it's more of a nice to have, to be able to speak the language. But when you immigrate and if you want to move to France or to a francophone country, then it's going to be a matter of survival. So many times you would need to learn the language really well. Now, another reason why I'm doing this is because I have seen so many people struggling with learning, with speaking French. And so a lot of people do learn it, and sometimes they get stuck, or either accidentally or willingly, in a learning phase, in a learning place, and that is painful, because the reason we learn a language is it can be a little more passive, as in I want to read books in French, or I want to watch movies in French, or I want to just understand. But if you're here for conversation, or most people in this group are here for conversation, because the group is called the French Conversationalist, and so you're looking to getting comfortable and confident in when you speak French, and this is what we're doing here. This is why I'm sharing this. So today we learn how to count, and because there are so many people coming all the time in the group, we have been doing this counting before, but that doesn't mean that the new people who are beginners, and I know for a fact many of the newcomers are beginners, or starting from zero, and so I would like to give you the numbers, and we need the numbers for obvious reasons. Just think about how many times, that's the thing that we're not always aware of, how many times we're actually using certain words in our mother tongue. And so if you really think about it, how many times are you using numbers in English, in your mother tongue, if English is your mother tongue, or in your mother tongue? Then it's going to be very obvious why we need to learn how to count. I'm going to write the transcript after I finish the video, but you're going to listen for now, and you know them, but I'm going to write the spelling of the numbers in letters as well right after I finish this. So, okay, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1 through 10, and I'm going to also give you the tens. So 20 is 20, 30 is 30, 40 is 40, 50 is 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90, and 100 is 100. So I'm going to say them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So I'm going to write the script in the description of this video, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you how it worked, how your practice worked. Looking forward to tomorrow's video. Tomorrow is going to be for our intermediate people, our intermediate learners, our conversationalists. So again, my private one-on-one Skype classes are preparing you for conversation from anywhere from 0 to advanced level of conversation. Stay on your game and don't ever give up on your dream to become bilingual. Learn to speak Parisian French and break your language barrier. Merci beaucoup et à demain. Au revoir.